Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create such a circle blend logo. I can't recreate specific logos as you get copyright strikes on YouTube if you do that. So I've already had a copyright strike for that, so I'm not joking here. So if you've got questions about specific logos, I can only recreate a variation of it, but it should help you to recreate the original. In this case, I only need 2 circles, and I'll create them with the ellipse tool right here, and I'll control when I drag it, go to a 45-degree angle and you've got a circle. Then press Ctrl D, hold Ctrl when you drag it to the side. Now pick your colors down here. We only need a fill, so just left click on the color swatches and then reposition them so that you've got an overlap. Hold Ctrl when you drag it to the left, then select both. You can go to Object, Fill and Stroke and play with the opacity, but you can see it affects the original color. So go back to 100%, and you can also use the blending mode. That preserves the original colors, but you don't have full control over the middle color right here. If you want to have that, press Ctrl D once more to copy this group. It's both selected, then I go to Path and use Intersection. So now I've got only this middle part, and I can select a fill color for it, and then put it back in position. To make sure that it's really in center, just select these two, press Ctrl G to group it, hold Shift, click on the intersection, so all is selected, then Object, Align and Distribute, and use the alignment right here for horizontal and vertical, and now it's in center. You can now select it all, Ctrl G once again to group it. And this is the method that I would use to recreate such a circle blend logo in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.